Another vlog, another day. It's a rainy Saturday. Please watch my version of quick and easy spaghetti. Hope you like it.
Go.
Good morning, guys. Since today is a rainy day, I decided to cook my favorite food, spaghetti. But before that, we will wash our face and brush our teeth. So this is our ingredients: sweet ham, noodles, spaghetti sauce, and I decided to use corned beef and mushrooms to make it more delicioso. And by the way, guys, this is not sponsored by Pure Foods. Baka naman, Pure Foods! First, let's boil the noodles and prepare the rest of the ingredients. While we are waiting for our water to boil, we will cut our ham in cubes and fry it. Everything is prepared. We will now make our spaghetti sauce.
Arjun, to make your vlog more exciting while you were doing your spaghetti sauce, we will be doing a question and answer, all related about you. So, aside from spaghetti, what other food is your favorite?
Chicken.
How about crush? Let's talk about your crush. Do you have any crush right now in grade 6 Pasig Club? But there are a lot of pretty girls. I think you but I think you don't have crush right now. So maybe you could just tell us who among the girls in your class do you think is the most beautiful?
Not my crush, but I think she's the most beautiful girl in our class. My best friend, Ezra.
Oh, that's good to hear, Marjun. Your best friend, Ezra. So, let's see. What are you doing right now? So, maybe you can also add the mushroom, Marjun. Put the mushroom slowly. So, what are you doing next after that?
Putting the
Spaghetti sauce, yes. But maybe you could still wait for a little while. Do you think your spaghetti sauce is delicious or is it overpowering? You have a lot of ingredients here. We only have 50 grams of noodles. Do you think it's enough? Or do we use so much ingredients and so much meat here?
So guys, this is my version of quick and easy spaghetti. You can add bread or anything you want to enjoy your meal. Vlogging and at the same time helping doing household chores is easy and fun, especially if you are with your family. Don't just spend your weekend scrolling at your phone and spending so much time in video games. Spend it memorably with your family. Happy weekend, guys!